Uh, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, and we're planning on making a little pasta dish. A simple one with red chili peppers, sliced rather small or minced, parsley, sweet basil, and then of course we'll have the capellini pasta boiled and put some Parmesan cheese. Stay tuned. So now we'll start with the red chilies, peppers, and I'm going to just saute them. You can hear it sizzling. And then I'm going to put some parsley in. Fresh Italian parsley from the garden. I'll just put some in here. That's always good. And then I'll put some sweet basil and saute that, and that'll be the base for the very light sauce. Now we're going to put in the capellini, which doesn't take very long to cook at all, just a few minutes. And there we go with that. See how thin it is? It cooks very, very fast. Now we just got the pasta out of the stove, and we're going to put it in the colander to drain, get all the water out, and we'll now we've got the pasta cooked the way we like it, and we're going to serve it. Let me see if this, okay. Hopefully it will turn out just the way we wanted it to turn out. But now we're going to put the sauce on it. The pepper and parsley sauce. And we'll probably add more sauce in just a little bit, but let me show you what it looks like. And some Parmesan. And we're ready to eat.